guys, welcome back to another video with the Math Maker. My name is Jordan and today we'll be talking about coefficients. I know some of you might be saying another video today, but yes, this will be my third video today and I'm sorry. I just really want you guys to understand how to do the distributive property. So I made another video and this will be my last video for today. I just really want you guys to understand. So I made this video today about coefficients. The unsuper proper way or Google way of the answer of a coefficient is a number in front of a letter, which would be called a variable, that you will multiply. So for this video, I'll also put the terms video I did a while back in the description so you guys can know. And please do not forget to like and also subscribe. So for a coefficient, like I said, it's just a number in front of a letter which is called the variable that you would multiply. So if you knew the value or what the variable number was, then you would have multiplied those two numbers together. So if I had 4e, if I knew what that e was, let's pretend e was actually 3, so it would be 4 times e. And then that would equal 12. You would multiply those two numbers together. But because we don't know what e is just going to be right next to 4. And we call that a coefficient. So then I will also display in a few more minutes how this would help you in the distributive property. So now for e, and like I said, the variable or the letter right next to it can be any letter. I'm not saying if the teacher gives you a letter to put in front of the number, please put the letter in front of a number. Don't make it up unless the teacher says, all right, put any letter in front of the number to make your own coefficient. Please do not get me in trouble and say, well, Math Maker told me to put any letter in front of the number. I'm saying if you're trying to make your own problems at home, if you're trying to really stump out your younger brother of how to do something, you don't need to use E. You can use any letter. Any letter, the letter can be Z, P, K, A, it doesn't matter. You can use any letter. So, like I said, you don't usually know what the letter stands for. And that's why we used it as a variable. And that's why you call it coefficient, because you have a number and a letter. Now, kind of thinking of it, coefficient does make a very good name, because if you just have a regular number by itself, 8, 9, 20, numbers like that, right? Then that would be called a constant. And if you kind of look at the word coefficient, it kind of has both of the words constant and variable in it. Because you have con, C-O, but even though it doesn't say con, it says co. But that's not important. It's the important part that a coefficient is a constant or a number which would be multiplied if you knew the value of the variable, which is a letter, which is side by side. So now I'm going to use this into a distributing property type of sentence. So I'm going to keep 4z, b on the inside. I'll use 5 plus, let's say, 10k. So now we both know, if we know what z stands for, let's say z stands for, or is equal to 9. Then you would know that for a coefficient, you would be multiplying 4 times z. But for now, we just know that this is one coefficient, and we do not know what z stands for. So now it's just 4z plus 10k. And we do not know what z stands for. So then all you would do is this. 5 times 4 equals 20. Bring down your z. plus 5 times 10 equals 50. Bring down your k. So now it would be, your answer would be 20z plus 50k. Oh, I'd like 50k. Comment down below if you would like 50k. No, but in seriousness, this would be what it would look like. 20z plus 50k. Again, I would really like 50k. But this would be your final answer, and you'd still have 20 as your coefficient because it have the z right next to it, and you wouldn't know the value of that, and you had 50, and this would also be a coefficient because you have k and you do not know the variable or how much k is equal to, so it's also a coefficient. I hope you guys learned something today. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. And also tap the notification bell if this is one of your first time watching any of my videos. I will also put the remind link down below so you guys can, like I said, privately chat with me. Do like a group chat if you ever have to on Remind. Like I said, I'll put the link to that in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful day.